Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidwe. Guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. So guys, inside this video I'm going to share with you a powerful indicator that will really help you guys to catch up a daily trade by scrapping up the market, taking few candle, taking up to 6 to 10 candlestick every time in the best accurate time. So as you can see now, we have our combination of many indicator here, which is just 5 indicator which you need to combine together to give you an accurate result. The first one is our buy and sell signal, which is this green signal and the red signal. But guys, we are not dealing with the red signal now, we are dealing with the green one. And anytime we are having our green confirmation, we are having a uptrend for few minutes and or of time. You see this, and we have it another year, we have it another year, and we have another this wonderful indicator which always give us a secret of bull entry. You see, at this particular time it give us a confirmation here that we are going to be having a market go on a uptrend. It give us another one at this area. You see that, and also it give us another confirmation at this area. You see exactly what I'm telling you guys. So now in this place you are going to be having this setup of confirmation indicator. Anytime we are having our circle on the move like this, you will see that this your RSI 9 is going to turn into blue line, which is going to give you a confirmation like what happened here, exactly like this, and exactly like this. And guys, you see what the market is giving us now. It gives us another confirmation here, so we can enter our trade at this particular time and keep on taking our profits every time. So guys, and we also have these two indicators which help us to understand the trend of the market. You can see what exactly the market is saying in the 5 minutes, in the 15 minutes, in the 30 minutes, in the 1 hour minutes, and we also have 4 hours, and in the day hours. So guys, and also we have our trend line which give us a signal time to time, which is the uptrend and the lower trend. So guys, as you can see now, I've already taken some trade which I want you guys to also help me to take look. You see we have a confirmation at this entry which we enter, but we have a reverse small in the market. And what do you see next? The market keep on on the uptrend. We have a confirmation here which we enter here, and we have our close here which we take just only up to 7 to 8 candlestick here. And also we have another confirmation here which give us a little reverse back on spike, before giving us our bull entry that we are going on a uptrend, confirm uptrend here. And what do you see next? You see that we are taking up the candle, as you can see here. We have another confirmation here which we enter. I just take just only 3 candle here, and also I leave that. And also we also have another confirmation here which we just take here, and we take it up to this particular time, and we just take just only 5 candle here. And also guys, this is another confirmation for me, and if I've entered this particular area now, I will have seen up to like 5 candlestick, then I'm out of the market. You see, this is exactly what you can do. And also it happen in every time frames. In 5-minute time frame, you see how it's going to look like in 5-minute time frame. You see the move of this is showing up that there is a downtrend at this particular area, which it really go on this particular area. You see that, and between that you can see that it begin to give us a uptrend confirmation before there is a pullback from this particular level. So we are expecting a pullback from this level down to this trend before we have our break zone on the uptrend. So guys, this indicator can really help you guys. All what you just need to get this indicator is to join our Telegram group. Then message the admin. This indicator is not for free. What you just need to do, join the Telegram group and message the admin. If you are also seeking for the settings, don't worry, I'm available for you guys to help you set it up completely, and even train you more better on how to catch a successful trade on this every time. Thanks guys.